So this is a Verbatim RAID drive, and this disk here has a problem. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take it off. With the way you do it, you take the key, you turn it all the way to the right, and then you flip this way, and there you go. Now the drive can actually be running on the system when you do this, but we're going to replace this disk. So we just took this off. It's got 4 screws on it, and we need to take them off. So we kind of unscrew it like so. Sure did pick the wrong screwdriver, but as long as you get them out of there, okay, and you screws are off. So now you go, there you go, see, and you flip it this way, and you stick a little screwdriver in here, there you go, see, just stick it in there, and that thing comes off. Now it slides just a little bit, then it comes off. Here's the drive. We're just going to reverse the process. So we took that thing off, and we're going to put this guy in here, like so. Then we reverse the process. See, it's kind of just a little bit down. And there you go. That's it. Now it's kind of hard to put these, some of these drives don't fit, okay? So they're hard to put in there. Unfortunately, what you gotta do is you gotta turn this guy upside down, and like so, and put 2 of the screws in, then you put like so. Let's see. Some of the drives are easy to install, but some are not. So you have to go through this little process and turn it upside down for 2 screws. Why it's designed this way. But that's it. Tighten it up. Put the others in there, like so. There you go. Got a new drive. It's as simple as that. So now you got to do the reverse. So you come in here. Here's a slot. So they all go just to go in there. Turn the key like so. Push it in. Move that thing back, and that's it. Okay. So it goes in there. You lock it. Push a little bit. Take the key off. If you leave the key here, man, chances are you're going to lose it. What you do here is you turn, just press, and it's going to be rebuilt. 2 terabyte drives. So see, now it's going to blink like that, and eventually, once it gets accepted or redone, rebuilt, then it'll turn solid blue, just like the other ones are going to turn. And right now, we're just it's going to rebuild. It's going to take a while. So I'm going to turn my computer back on. You can do this with the computer on, with it plugged in. You can be using the drive. So it's hot swap. That's the way you do it.